Lamb curry, Indian style. Beautiful lamb in there. It's creamy, it's spicy, it's delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so I've got some oil in there. I've got about 3 or 4 tablespoons of oil, 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, handful there of curry leaves, salt, and here's our lamb. It's a nice lean cut lamb, chunky cut. 500 grams or about a pound there. Above medium heat, 5 minutes, stirring often. Fabulous. 1 cup of onion, fresh chili to taste, 5 more minutes. Okay, next up, ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of. We're going to go for 2 minutes.
All right, Simon here, just a few little notes. Okay, first of all, there's over 4,000 videos on our channel. We've been cooking for years, so get onto that little magnifying glass. You can search out. There's tons and tons of recipes. We're cooking pretty much every day. Thumbs up always helps me out. A little comment of anything. Tell me what you've had for breakfast even, that's fine. Just a comment helps the algorithm go. If you'd like to donate to me and help the channel out, there's a little thanks button in most countries. You can leave $2 or $1 million if you want. Okay, let's get back to cooking.
Fantastic stuff here. Okay, next up we're going to get our spices in. Let's take a look. 1 teaspoon each. Turmeric, chili, cumin, coriander. Three cups fresh tomatoes. 2 cups water. We're now going to go for 8 to 10 minutes. So you can see that the tomatoes are broken down beautifully. Got a nice masala there now. We're now going to add a teaspoon of black pepper. Want a nice peppery flavour in there. 2 cups of cooked chickpeas. These are from a can, so if you're using from a can like I am, give them a nice wash in some cold water. Rinse them through. 1 cup coconut milk. We're now going to put this on a nice low simmer and let it go for 15 minutes. Okay, off goes the heat. That is absolutely delicious. Nice and deep, spicy but creamy. One more thing to add. I'm going to go with a nice big pinch of garam masala powder. If you want cilantro, coriander, I'm skipping that today, just going with that. That's beautiful. Lamb curry, really beautiful that one is. Well done everyone. Creamy, spicy and delicious. I hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.